Hi guys, how's it going? My name is Arjun and I'm here with a coding tutorial in Python code. So let's get started. So this code is a guessing game. So it's it's an intermediate type of game. So you want to make sure that you have a little experience with Python. So now let's get started. So the first step is you want to make a variable that the user is going to input their name. So that works like that. And then you want to create a print statement and you want to greet the user. So you do this by just making a string over there and greeting the user and putting a space. You do that by like putting the quotes and put a space in it. You want to make sure you have this both. Then you want to include your variable. I called it name. I'll put that there, and I put exclamation point. And then you want to make another variable. This is a variable that the user will input their number of guesses they want. So that's over here. And then you want to make your answer. I called it number. So it's equal to whatever you want this number to equal to. So I called it 1. So the user will be trying to guess different guesses to get it. And if they get it wrong, yeah. So next step is you want to create a for loop, and you want to, this will let the user know that this will let the code know that they want this much guesses and they'll have this much turns for it. Then you want to create another variable, and this variable, it's an int variable that holds the information of the user's guess, what their guess was. And then you want to say if it's too high, you want to create an if statement, and you want to say if your number, if their guess is too high, then you want to let the user know that it's too high, and you want to use str in parentheses your variable. I called it guess. You're doing this because the user will know their how many guesses they have left. So the next step is you want to let the user, it's the same thing as what I just did over here, but it's to let the user know if it's too low. Also, you want to subtract the guesses, and you want to tell the user that it's too low. The last step is you want to make an else statement that tells the user if they got the answer right. So you want to make a print statement and congratulate the user or something. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is a coding tutorial. Let me show you guys how this code works. So the first step is inputting the name. So it'll greet the user, and then I'm gonna input my number of guesses. Let's say 3, and I'm gonna input 2. Oh no, my guess was too high. Now I'm gonna input 4. Oh no, too high. I'll input 1, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.